Question: show that the maximum of the expression y is equals to 2 times a minus x into x plus square root of x square plus b square is a square plus b square. So this is the question. Solution: so the given expression is y is equals to 2 times a minus x into x plus square root of x square plus b square. So in this one, let square root of x square plus b square plus x is equals to t. Then square root of x square plus b square plus x into square root of x square plus b square minus x is equals to, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is x square plus b square minus x square. X square cancel, therefore this is equal to b square. Now under root of x square plus b square plus x is t, that's why t into square root of x square plus b square minus x equal to b square. So this implies square root of x square plus b square minus x equal to b square by t. Now, so see this one, we consider this as 1, let this be 2. Now what you do is subtract 2 from 1, that is calculate this one, find this one, 1 minus 2. So that is 1 is x square plus b square plus x minus of, second one is x square plus b square minus x, which is equals to t minus b square by t. So this is here x square plus b square cancel, minus minus plus, that is 2x equal to t minus b square by t. That implies x equal to 1 by 2 times t minus b square by t. So now the given expression is y is equal to 2 times a minus x into x plus under root x square plus b square. Now you convert this x in terms of t, that is replace x plus under root x square plus b square by t here and replace x by 1 by 2 times t minus b square by t. So with this substitutions, the given expression becomes 2 times a minus, what is x? 1 by 2 times t minus b square by t into here x plus under root x square plus b square, that is nothing but t. So here this one, here we substituted x plus square root of x square plus b square is t. Now the given expression becomes like this. Now this y is equals to, here if you open the bracket, that is 2 times, otherwise first you multiply by 2 throughout, then what you get, this is 2a minus this 2 cancel, minus of t minus minus plus, this is b square by t into t, that is y is equals to, this is 2at minus t square plus b square. Now this is equals to, this is equals to, y is equals to, this can be written as b square. Here if you take out minus common from these two terms, that is t square minus 2ta, which is equals to y is equals to b square minus, to make it a perfect square, t square minus 2ta, add a square, subtract a square. So this implies, then y is equals to this b square minus of, so this is the perfect square, that is this is nothing but t minus a whole square minus a square. So y is equals to, here b square minus of t minus a whole square minus minus plus a square, which is equals to, y is equals to a square plus b square minus of t minus a whole square. So now our question is y maximum. When y takes its maximum value, when this t minus a whole square minimum, means if you subtract from a square plus b square minimum value, then this output will be a maximum. So what is the minimum value of t minus a whole square? It's a non-negative number, therefore its minimum value is what? 0. When t minus a whole square takes its value 0, then y has its maximum value. Therefore y maximum is equals to a square plus b square. That implies y is always less than or equals to a square plus b square. That is maximum value of y is what? A square plus b square. This is the solution.